Ever tried stopping a sneeze and wondered why it's impossible? Sneezing is your body's way of getting rid of irritants like dust, pollen, or even sudden temperature changes. Once your nose senses a threat, a signal is sent to your brain, and boom, your muscles spring into action to expel the irritant at speeds up to 100 miles per hour. You can't control it because the brain triggers a reflex that involves multiple body parts, including your chest, throat, and even your face. Sneezing can also be triggered by bright lights or certain spices, your body's way of keeping your airways clear. Holding it back? That could cause ear or throat damage. So, just let it out.